He took out a notepad.
Hi my beautiful people, and welcome to this channel. It's been a while. How are you guys doing? Hope you are keeping safe. In today's video, I'll be organizing my kitchen and my kitchen cabinet and the little pantry that I have here. So feel free to hang on with me. I'm delighted to have you here. And for my returning subscribers, I'm saying a big thank you to you guys. God bless you for always coming again and again to watch my videos, and you guys are the best. If you are yet to subscribe, do subscribe. Hit the notification bell so as whenever I have any new upload, you'll get notified. Feel free to come along with me on this mini shopping. Let's go, guys. So lovely. So I'm here at Lidl for little shopping, and I'm actually in a hurry to finish to get this shopping done and to be able to get back home and start up with the cleaning. So you guys bear with me if I'm not really talking or showing you things, because I'm actually here doing this in a hurry and have a lot of things to do today.
She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country.
Today's cleaning, I'm using natural and eco-friendly cleaning products. As you can see, they are all eco and doesn't contain much chemicals. So I'm putting on my walking shoes, my cleaning shoes. Let's go and do this, guys. So since we've not been home since for the past 3 months, I'm doing my cleaning now because we just came back few days ago, and like you saw at the beginning of this video, I did a bit of quick shopping, and I do housework every day, but I feel pleasant when my house changes in a good day, just like today. I always feel good whenever my home is in order. So I'm starting from the kitchen up to the living room, but I'm not doing the living room today or the bedroom. I'm just focusing on the kitchen to put all the food stuff and food items in order. Then afterward I will go and start with the bedroom and every other part of my home.
She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up.
So you guys, as you can see right now, I'm cleaning my refrigerator using the up and down motion movement, so as not to have, after cleaning, so as for me not to have marks on my refrigerator. So I choose to clean up and
She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her actress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her actress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out.
You guys, as you may have known, in this kitchen I don't really have a pantry. What I did was to add some extensions to the wall, and this is what I'm using as my pantry, and I'm reorganizing that now because I brought most of the things we left over, so the things we couldn't finish at the countryside, so I have most of them with me now, and I'm trying to reorganize and add up everything here. So keep watching, and for my returning subscribers and for those who are still watching, you guys rock. Love you all.
Wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my head.
You can see from the video I can't really add up the biscuit can, so what I did was to turn it the other way around, like so as for it to fit, and also that of the Smarties, so you can always organize your things the way it suits. So that's what I've just done here. Look at that. Fam, look at how beautiful everything came out. That's my little pantry and I love it. And that's my kitchen shining again. As we are getting to the end of this video, thank you all for watching, and you guys rock. Love you all, and I will be seeing you on my very next one. See you guys. Ciao ciao. If you did really enjoy this video, let me know what you all think, and leave a comment down below. And if you are yet to subscribe, if you are yet to be a part of the family, do subscribe by hitting the right subscribe button, the notification bell, so as whenever I upload, you will always get notified on every new upload.
And I watched him disappear like